Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. This is a long meditation session and I'm so glad that you're here. Right now, you don't need to be strong, you don't need to be productive, or you don't need to hold anything together. Just forget about the outside world. This moment and you. That's all there is. Now, find a position where your body feels supported. You can sit on the chair or sofa. Just make sure while you're sitting, your spine is straight, not too loose, comfortable, but not loose. And it should be aware, alert. You can also choose to lie down in Shavasana if that is your preference. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and a slow, deep breath out. With every exhale, just throw out any tightness, negativity, heaviness, any worries, just throw them out. Don't hold anything. Again, inhale softly and exhale even softer. Now, again, a long deep breath in and a long deep breath out. Remember to throw everything out. We don't want to hold anything. Just empty that body vessel. Again, breathe in and out. You are not alone in this moment. You are accompanied by calm. You are surrounded by stillness and you are supported by life itself. Now bring your awareness to your feet. Imagine them resting in warm sand, supported, unhurried, just resting. Let this warmth rise into your legs, your calves, knees, slowly the thighs, your hips. Now your hips are softened. Your lower back releases its long held effort. Now place one gentle awareness on your belly, the center of your being, the space that has carried emotions, strength, creation, and care. Let this space soften. Let it breathe. Your chest gently opens, not in effort, but in relief. Your shoulders melt down your back. Your arms grow heavy and loose. Your palms open, a sign of letting go. Soften your throat. Your jaw unlocks. Your tongue rests. Your eyes sink into stillness. Your whole body now whispers one word: rest. Now simply notice your breath. No fixing it, no changing it, just meeting it. Each inhale is like gentle knock at your heart. Each exhale is like being welcomed home. With every breath in, silently say, I arrive. With every breath out, silently say, I soften. I arrive. I soften. Let your breath become a slow wave, carrying you deeper and deeper into yourself. Now imagine this. You're walking into a beautiful, quiet space, a place where nothing is demanded of you, a place where you don't have to explain yourself. In this space, there is a soft light, not bright, not harsh, just gentle, like moonlight resting on water. This light comes close to you, not to change you, but to understand you. It sees your tiredness, it sees your courage, it sees the part of you that nobody else notices. And this light wraps around you like a warm shawl, like loving arms, like the feeling of being truly seen. If your heart feels heavy, let this light sit with it. If your mind feels crowded, let this light create the space. If your body feels exhausted, let this light hold it gently. You don't need to heal anything right now. You only need to be here. Healing happens naturally when we feel safe. In this moment, I'm enough. I do not need to prove my worth. I already belong. I release the habit of overgiving. I allow myself to receive. I release the need to control. I trust the rhythm of life. I'm learning to rest without guilt. I'm learning to love myself without conditions. I honor my feminine strength, not in how much I do, but how deeply I feel. I am gentle. I'm resilient. I'm becoming whole. Now, let the words fade. Rest in the feeling they created. Just stillness, just presence, just you. Slowly begin to notice your breath again. Feel the body resting where it is. Gently move your fingers, your toes, and when ready, take a deep breath in and a long, soft breath out. And slowly open up your eyes. Carry this feeling with you, the feeling of being held, the feeling of being enough, and the feeling of coming home to yourself. You can return to this space anytime you need. You are always welcome here. Thank you for doing meditation with me, Trupti. Namo Shakti and happy practicing.